I'm Better Call Chad, and this is gonna be 3 quick and easy tips how to improve your Zoysia lawn. If you like my videos, like and subscribe, and check out bettercallchad.com. Let's get right into this video. Tip number 1, mow 1.5 to 2.5 inches and mow often. Cutting a small amount of grass and mowing twice a week or every 5 days is ideal. Mowing very small bits of Zoysia at a time is the best way to keep the grass healthy and to help keep it green after it's mowed. Number 2, use as much potassium as you do nitrogen. You want to have an even blend when feeding your Zoysia, like a 15-0-15 or a 10-0-10. Now that is the best way to feed Zoysia. This is unique from other grasses, but Zoysia really relies on potassium. And then number 3, don't overuse nitrogen. Once your Zoysia is growing, use very small amount of nitrogen throughout the year, like a 3, 4, and maybe even a 5%. Slow amounts throughout the year is gonna be the best way. Once your grass is growing at a moderate rate, you don't want to overfeed it and make that Zoysia grow quicker. Or just like in tip 1, where we only want to cut smaller bits, if we make it grow too fast, that can be hard to do. So now the best way to keep the grass green in the color you want is use iron. Zoysia loves iron, and that's what you should be using to get the color you want. Once you get the moderate growth rate, just keep applying maybe a 3% nitrogen and then iron throughout the year to get the color you want without adding and making it grow too fast. Now there you go. Those are 3 quick and easy tips to improve and have an awesome Zoysia lawn. If you want more details, please check out the rest of my channel. I have tons of detailed Zoysia videos, but I just want to give you 3 quick tips. Check out bettercallchad.com and remember, great rest of your day.